What surprised me the most was how accurately they put me with who I needed and wanted to talk to. And I was really impressed with the fact that I did not waste my time. Everybody that I talked to was on point. They knew what they were doing. They knew what they were talking about. They were able to answer all my questions very accurately. The balance was really good. I started with, they had the educational sessions in the morning. One was on an ERP, one was on IoT, and I also went on the cloud. All three of them were very well done. The people that were doing them obviously knew what they were talking about. They were really on the topic. I was very nervous that they were going to be sales pitches, and they weren't, and I was very pleased with that. I feel the one-on-ones were very high value. It will be very beneficial. One of the biggest projects that we're working on right now is we're starting our ERP process, and I met with several vendors that were very knowledgeable about ERPs, and I learned several things that I did not even think of that I'm going to be able to bring back to my company. I was able to choose any of the breakouts that I wanted to go to, and the one-on-ones were chosen for me. If I was going to recommend it to a colleague, I would tell them that it is a great experience, and if they have a chance to go and they get invited, they should definitely come. I actually had told my supervisor that I really had no idea what I was getting myself into, and there was a possibility I was going to show up here and there'd be like 20 people. And when I came on Sunday for the social, I was shocked with how many people were there and how well even that was put together as far as a networking event went. I would rate Quartz 5, and 5 being the best.